Anirira ndumiriri-ini yake na akiaria uhoro wigie kioneki kia mwaka wa 2016. Riu nake spika wa bunge ya bururi na niwe Moses Wetangula ni athiite na mbere na gukorwo agitetera miario ya mutongoria wa bururi. Akiaria ari kuria mwena uria wa ithwiro ria bururi ni Kanduwi, Wetangula athiite na mbere na gukorwo akiuga ati mutongoria wa bururi ari na wendi mwega wa gukinyaniria maundu matiganite guku bururi-ini.
Sisi kama jamii tunashirikiana na Wakenya wote wenye nia nzuri kukemea siasa ya ukabila, siasa ya matusi, siasa ya kupaguana, kuambia watu nyinyi hamna shares, sijui nini. Hizo vitu hazina maana katika Kenya ya leo. Kenya ya leo ni Kenya ambayo kila mtu, uwe Mandera, uwe Malaba, uwe Turukana, uwe Kwale, na wale wote tuko katikati, tuwe na uwezo wa kujivunia kuwa wa Kenya na kuchangia vilivyo nchi yetu ipige hatua ya maendeleo. Na hawa ndugu zangu wa Bumula wamenihakikishia ya kwamba wao pia watakuwa mstari wa mbele kuhakikisha from the family to the village to the sub-county to the county to the nation, we will play our part to make sure Kenya moves forward. Na hiyo safari tutatembea pamoja, na tunaambia wale viongozi wetu wa kidini muendelee kuombea nchi yetu, muombee rais wetu apate hekima zaidi, mtuombee hata sisi viongozi ambao tunasaidiana na rais ili turahisishe mzigo wa mwananchi tukienda mbele katika nchi yetu. Tukielekea Singapore, vile tumetangaza ya kwamba we must spring from a developing country to a developed country. Tumetoa ruwasa yetu ya Vision 2060, na Wednesday wiki hii ijayo tunakuwa na mwanzilishi wa hiyo ruwasa, Anyang' Nyong'o, Profesa Hino na wengine wenye rais amechagua. Tunakuwa na mkutano wa kuweka roadmap, kwa sababu hata maisha yako kama huna vision, kama huna ndoto, utaishi tu day to day. Lakini ukiwa na vision kwamba mimi nikiwa kijana nitaoa, nikioa nitapata watoto, nikipata watoto nawasomesha, nikiwasomesha nataka wafaulu, wakifaulu nataka wanisaidie, wasaidie jamii, wasaidie nchi. Hiyo ndiyo ndoto ya kila mzazi, ya kila mtu. Na sisi kama nchi tukitaka kubadilika, tukiwe kama Singapore, tukiwe kama Malaysia, kama Korea, kama China, kama Indonesia, lazima pia tuwe na ruwaza yetu, lazima tuwe na vision yetu, lazima tuwe na ndoto yetu, na tuwe na mipangilio ya kutupeleka kule tunaenda.
Na tukiuma mwena ucio wa Kanduwi, riu reke tuhiuke nginyagia kuria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua. Thutha wa ithurano cia arutwo a ngathi ya iguru gukorwo itabanitio, riu atongoria ni marikitie gukorwo mehetithitio. Simon Njuguna niwe wamuritwo gutuika muikariri giti wa kiama kia arutwo, nake James Kariuki agakorwo amuritwo gutuika muigi kigina gatagati ka atongoria aria angi aria mathuritwo kurumbuiana na mabataro ma arutwo. Arutwo aya makiaria ario nio atongoria kwa ihinda riri ni mathiite na mbere na gukorwo makiuga ati ni mehaririirie gukorwo makinyitirira arutwo kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua.
The Almighty God, that I, at home, and servant, truly and diligently serve students in the Nyandarua.
Today we had our inauguration ceremony here at PCA Olkalau, where we have taken our oaths, and now we shall assume the office as the new leaders of Nyandarua County Tertiary Student Association, and we shall serve the comrades on the manifestos and the agendas that we promised to them. We shall work hard to deliver what we promised to them. We promised that we shall mobilize more opportunities for internships and attachments. We shall mobilize for scholarships and bursaries to different offices in the county government. they have been giving us, but we want to mobilize and get more funds so that each and every comrade can have an opportunity to have to complete his studies and get some job opportunities so that he can benefit in his courses. More cooperation from the county government, though they have been cooperating very well, and we shall still urge His Excellency Dr. Kiaria Badilisha to still add more to youths.
I represent the gender mostly according to the constitution, and to assist my chairperson. Ours is one. We are going to commit. We are going to commit to serve. We're going to implement everything that we said. We're going to execute everything that we said too. So work with us. This is a journey. We can't do it and so we have to partner. You have to be resilient with us, and we promise to implement everything. Yep. The position of young people in leadership is to change the systems. Yeah, to change the systems. We're going to do mentorships, partnerships, and networkings. Through that, we're going to network with everyone out there. We're going to know what is the way forward. We're going to know which is the best way to do these things, and with that, we're going to bring everyone on the table.
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati thikũ nyinyi tu thutha wa uri urari mujumbe ni wa wodi ya Chesikaki gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Mount Elgon atharikirwo na kuragwo ni andu matowikaine. Riu atongoria a gicigo giki ni meyumirite na gukorwo makiuga ati matigukorwo magitabania mathiko ma mujumbe urakurikana ta Nathan Wasama o nginyagia utwiria Baraginyo uhanike. Kurerikana ati ni gukoretwo kwina ciiko coha gukugwo gitiri na riu mwingi uraikara wina wasiwasi makiuria riu maabitha a borithi gukorwo makiongerera mĩriũngo nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mũingĩ nĩ wakorwo gĩikara na thayũ.
The Almighty God that I will atone.
Sisi kama waniaji wa viti huku Mount Elgon tuko na wasiwasi kubwa sana, kwa sababu wakati ambayo unasema unataka kiti fulani, kuna kiongozi anaona hiyo kiti ni yake, of which sisi kama wapiga kura na wakazi wote wa Mount Elgon kiti ni wananchi. So mimi nataka kuhimiza na kuomba serikali yetu, mimi haswa Maruti, mimi mwenyewe nimetishiwa maisha mara 3 hadi kuna kiongozi anatoa bunduki yake na ananitishia mimi maisha. Nimeenda nika report, but hadi na leo hii hajaitwa na kuwa summoned na ili aeleze kwa nini alitoa bunduki yake kunitishia mimi maisha. So kuna 3 OB numbers, I have them. Alishai nipigia simu na kunitishia maisha hadi na leo hii. So mimi leo hii hata venye Wasama ameenda hivi, I think I'm the next.
Today I go to Mount Elgon, by night I'm supposed to plan where I'm going to sleep. So up to when are Mount Elgon aspirants going to run away from their homes? We want to ask the security agencies. When this incident happened in 2024, you did not table the report and tell the public that this is what we found out. Yeah. So that we are able to have a backup of what happened. But we have not gotten that. So we want to appeal to the security agencies that please don't be complacent in this particular matter.
Kama serikali wata tusaidia kuhusu maneno ya Wasama. Tumeona kumbe Nairobi ni karibu sana, ni masaa 8 ama ni siku 8. Tutatembea kutafuta Murkomen Nairobi. Hakuja tusaidia amani Mount Elgon.
We demand a thorough, impartial and speedy investigation to establish who planned, financed, facilitated and carried out this heinous act.
Na thutha wa kwamũkĩra riboti ya njũragano ya mũjumbe ũcio Nathan nĩ kuma kũrĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Mount Elgon, tũramba gwĩkĩrĩrwo hanini nĩ tũracokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio iria ikurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano, tabarira cihotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Ruoro rũgĩtema koragwo wĩ wa mbere kũmenya marĩa marahanĩka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
When it comes to raising children, kendo kia mbere ndirera ciaria thaa ici uria we baba wanyu na mami wanyu kana andu aria makurerire aguka wanyu acũcũ wanyu uria makurerire tigo urarera generation ino. Ndio kana nionete ga video kana trend TikTok kana gatira igwa ndio itata wega kero etira mami wanyu akamwira atafanya.
Do we have mutual benefit or any benefit financially from your wife too? Kogo, in case you're not there, there are those people told you that your dependents national magi suffer financial loss. The life insurance you cover in that gap.
Tondu hatiri handu uri otawika atia waka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao mundu ucio agi uru gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makoiga atiri kwina andu aitu mena thi titondu we nuinuka nyumba-ini ya ihiga gutina thina andu acio ritwicirie uhoro wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarĩra-ini ya gũgĩthereruka o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano thinacara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ mitambo-ini ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Thama 14 kamwari ga 14 mwathani niwe ũkũmũrũĩrĩra na inyuĩ mũtirĩ na bata wa gwĩka ũndũ ona ũrĩkũ.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Naam, karibuni twacokereria harĩ ikĩrĩka rĩa kerĩ na rĩa mũthia. Mwige wa Laikipia, Isiolo, Odomwe na Samburu riu mari na gitumi gia gukungwira nao ni thutha wa mahenya gukorwo mambikitwo makungania kigina kiria ni makiria maciringi milioni 130 iria iguteithiriria hari uhoro wigie gutafarira thina wa mai. Icigo ici maita maingi ni gukoretwo kwina umo na gukaga mai ma kuigana. Riu kuringana na murugamiriri munene uria rathi na mbere no kurwa kinyabara tabarĩra itiganĩte cia kũrĩa maĩ mekwenjwo, athiĩte na mbere no kurwa kiuga atĩ rĩrĩ nĩ ikinya rĩa mwanya kuona atĩ mũingĩ nĩ ũkoretwo ũgĩtangĩka kwa ihinda iraya.
I am Daniel Ebenyo. I am the today's race ambassador, and what I am urging you guys, mothers, children, please let's run for water. Let's run for resilience. Let's run for peace. Let's run so that a baby can get water. Let's run so that our communities can get peace all over. We lack peace in these counties. And what brings all of these conflicts? It's only lack of water. I think water is everything. And please encourage someone to plant a tree, because if we plant more trees, there will be no desert again in Samburu and all the Asals region.
Kuambia kwa sababu tuko hapa ni kuongea mambo ya peace between four communities ambayo imekuwa na shida kidogo hapa na pale. Hiyo ni madugu zangu watu ya Samburu, Isiolo, Meru, Laikipia. Ile imekosa tu community hapa ni ile ya Garissa County ambayo iko na serious conflict na watu ya Isiolo. Na aim ya hiyo mradi ya hii ni kuchanga pesa ya kutengeza mambo ya maji kwa hiyo county ine. Kwa hivyo leo, baada ya siku ya leo, kila mradi ambaye tulikuwa tunataka kufanya iko na pesa yake. Kenya Commercial Bank wame contribute ile ya Meru, na sisi tukirudi sasa kwa ofisi ni kuangalia namna tutaanzisha hiyo mradi.
For this initiative, I think this is what we could call a whole of government approach to peace, or and a kind of a multi-agency approach to whatever we are supposed to do, all of us. As KDF, we want to appreciate so much. We've been able to interact with the community. These are the communities that we serve, and we feel privileged even to be involved in this kind of activity. We have been able to assist in medical camps. We have been able to assist with water. We have been able to assist with security, and we are happy that this thing has come to an end and ended up very well.
Na tukirikiria ni ati kamiti ya gibũrũri ya kũrũmbũyania na macira ma mĩgũnda na nĩyo NLC riu ni thiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo ĩgĩte na baratha itiganĩte kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo. Kũringana na arũgamĩrĩri a NLC, mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo makiuga atĩ maumanĩte na gũkorwo magĩtabania mĩcemanio ĩno, kuona atĩ nĩ gũkoretwo kũrĩ na ngucanio cia mĩgũnda cia kahinda karaya. Riu mũingĩ ũroiga atĩ kuona kamĩtĩ ĩno nĩ ĩkoretwo mwena wa Isiolo marĩ na mwĩhoko atĩ mathĩna ma mĩgũnda nĩ megũkinya mũthia.
Tunasema pia formal property description annex.
Kuna recommendation ilitolewa na ile tume ambayo ama commissioner walioko mbele yako kwa sasa ndio mkashuhudia juzi, na walisema ya kwamba ile kambi ya jeshi waende wanyang'anywe ile title yao na survey mpya ifanywe na waingie exactly kwa ile kasehemu yao waliingia kwa ile cassette notice ya 1977.
Lakini bahati mzuri pia watu wa Isiolo walikuwa wameenda through hii kitu ya historical land injustice. Watu 14 ndio walikuwa wamepeana their claims mbeleni kabla ya ile timeline ijafungwa, na kwa uzuri commission imesikiliza na ikadetermine. Kwa hivyo out of the 14 ile claims tulikuwa tumepata kutoka kwa watu wa Isiolo, 10 isha determination imeshafanywa na tutawaeleza what the determination means to them, because sometimes in the technical na hawataelewa. Tumesema tutachukua muda kuweza kuwaeleza through our office pia ya Isiolo, na waweze kuelewa na wajue kwamba enforcement itafanyika aje hiyo recommendation tumefanya, because mara nyingi recommendation inafanywa na kwa vile inafaa kuwa resolved within 3 years ama kati ya mwaka 3. Sometimes unakuta community hata ukipata determination hawaelewi.
Kufanya public participation kwa sababu ya regulation zetu za historical land injustices ambazo bunge wakati walipitisha ile amendment ya kufungua muda ya kusikiza tena historical land injustices claims, waliona kwamba ni vyema tuweze kuwa na regulations za kuambatana na sheria ili tuweze kusikiza sheria zile kesi zile katika njia ya sheria. Tunashukuru sana wakaaji wa hapa Isiolo County, stakeholders ambao wamejitokeza, non-state actors na pia viongozi wa county na wa national government ambao wamejitokeza kuja kuwa pamoja na sisi.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti yo tutiri no ndungi ni kuma kuria mwena wa Isiolo ni riboti ria kuregitotora ginyagia gaturumo-ini ka mohoro mareto gukuhariririe Juma Wika no ire tumana memereke na njira ya ciko na ketagwo Sharon Wamboi. Ngai witu enda reke turokanire nawe rucini rwa tene thini wa tabarira ya gugitereruka. Ni ngatho ni gutwihoka ngakwirithira tuko wina thayo. Ni njitagwo Francis Wairura.
Ndumiriri yake ikinyire makiri maingi ma Kenya, we niwe turenda araniria na ithuĩ ũmũthĩ kugerera 0758487904 ni 0758487904 na ni ũgũteithĩka. Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Muturire uria turatura ni uri na mitangiko na mathina maingi.
Maundu macio mekuo no ti mega kuringana na kiugo kia Ngai ti mega tondu kiugo kia Ngai kiugaga atiriri maundu maria mothe mekagirwo nduma-ini iria nene muthenya umwe ni mariguorio na maigwo gacumbiri andu othe merore nake mundu ariugaga atiriri nyumba ya usiri ni nyumba baya. Yeah.
Ni nyumba tena gikeno
ndina gikeno
ukaigwa hau gatagati-ini ringi ari ho 2,000 peke yake riu ona ungiagakorwo nginya ni akinya ni gutiga wira na ni kuhoya arahoya fia ya kuinuka
tabarira-ini ya Shararuku goka ni maundu ma mucii tukahithurania kiria kiraria kingi
no muhaka atumia mamarie no muhaka athuri metikire uguo ati undu mwe wa maundu maria matumaga mutumia aigwendetwo ni muthuri wake ri to gutikirwo kia ona guthikiririo
na niguo ndukanerire na uge
tari korwo ni ndoi.
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka mwambiririo kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic